It's easy to create ready-to-use content using the Share Code feature included with every digital math manipulative from Brainingcamp. With Share Codes, you can create activities, tasks, or lessons for your students. They can also share their work back to you. After logging in, choose a manipulative and create a task, lesson, or activity. It's important to note that generating a share code creates a unique copy of your content. When you're ready to share it with your students, click Share. In a pop-up window, you'll see a few options. Click the first option, Share Code. Next, choose how you'd like to share your newly created content. You can either copy the unique URL associated with it, or you can copy the 8-character alphanumeric code. Let's select the 8-character alphanumeric code. Clicking the Copy button copies the code to your clipboard. With Share Codes, each of your students can access your content and individually begin their exploration. Simply provide the code to your students. To access your newly created content, students enter the code in the Share Code box. Students can now begin to explore and discover the content you created. When your students are finished, they can submit their work by clicking Share and selecting your preferred option. Students can generate a new share code, copy the image of their screen, or download the image as a JPEG. Share codes remain valid as long as you have a Brainingcamp account. Therefore, remember to save them so they're available in the future. You can also share them with your colleagues. Any edits made to an existing share code will not be saved. You will need to generate a new code to save your changes. Let us know if you have any questions or concerns.